How to fix iPhone not charging when plugged in. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your iPhone not charging when you plug it in. Now let us begin. According to the official support site of Apple, if your device won't charge when you've plugged it in, what you'll need to do is first restart your iPhone. Now after you restart your iPhone, you'll need to check your charging cable and USB adapter for signs of damage. If there is a bent or breakage, do not use the damaged accessories. You can also check the power socket on your wall. After doing that, you can just remove any debris from the charging port as it shows right here. If there are some debris on your charging port, that might be affecting your charging. And after you've done that, let your device charge for an hour or a half. And if it won't turn off again, what you can do is you can go to the nearby store and get it fixed because there is a problem with your hardware. And that is basically all for this video guys. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.